been crying for justice since 2014. 2014, they be a me video na me su. Naga HIV pen na me wo. Where is my medicine? This is my medicine. Naga HIV pen na me wo. Me do me fedi. Now she say me nya phobia ekume. It is killing me slowly. HIV cannot kill me. I'm sending messages. I catch up and say, I've been strong all these years. HIV is nothing. HIV cannot kill me. Oh, you send me messages, you tell me, say you love me. I have read all your messages. Lot of you say, so beyond Omicron, Modomi. Mitimasio. HIV cannot kill me. Because I take my medicine every day. HIV cannot kill me because I take my medicine. Bibu-Obofour ne-ekumi. Bibu-Obofour ne-ekumi. I am not seeking attention. I need justice. I'm not an attention seeker. Before I became the AIDS ambassador, I never had depression. Before I found me some bedroom, what dear no na me need depression no. And your HIV ne-ekumi oh. Bibu-Obofour ne-ekumi. Bone bena maye. Mitia broche. Me started to me too quiet in the year 2010. Me ya imagine that some betina broche. Sabi. Asem chire me tsunami ne beto ho a. The nkrofo kan say, Joyce. Who dear ayesin obi kura ni passport. Obi kura pa broche akọ, onko broche da me pa mocha. Ya asase ne won obi na kuma so ade. Say when I pa broche ba beji me passport me pa broche o. Me name Brisika o, me tia broche, me banisa. Me banisa intimi nye ejume bia na mo aban etua me danka. Yeah, ma me €1,000 say me fe tia danka, me tia danka 700 na me tia electricity di aka ni me di edidi. Me di edidi o adisa, me pani na mada. I'm sorry, oh. I'm not seeking attention, and then not to me, oh. And then not to me, and I'm more him and I'm more me. I don't come here to support any political party. It is obey my dear Mama in Kana. Is it too much to ask as a citizen of Ghana to stay in my country, to live with my children? Is it too much to ask Ghana for? Moi, I'm Christopher. Mukai story about Bible more about something. Oh yeah, so ordain ana ho ordain na say no. Something a ho ordain na say nemo. Eka kakra ma na ewu no ede no ye. Aho ordain na kanyina. He used all his strength. And he made sure he didn't die alone. When Samson wanted to die, something in the Bible, he didn't die alone. Samson used all his strength stress and pulled down the building, and everybody died with him. Man, what the answer? Michelle Wig, me the baby ka create him na better her. You think I'm okay? I know that social media can never solve my problem. But those that I want to give this message to, I'm sure that they would definitely get this message. I have been fighting for the past 6 years now. I don't want to die as a beggar. Matisa Grofobi plan said, "Ya pese ya didi sikama me na ya de rent die mame." No. Former President John Mahama. The reason why I always call you is because you launched the program. The program I sacrificed myself to do, you launched the program. Mu launch a program, I'm with me here advert. I did me here billboard, ni bibi ya mujame. Hona mi ni kamafo. That is when I started coming to former President John Mahama, writing him letters. Said ye be ya. Obebuame. Minisika o minyesike ni o. Obi ba brochira, it doesn't mean any pani esike ni o. I don't blame you. I don't know what makes you think so bit ya brochira na jesu wosika. Me pese me nakakra aka menim awasase su no. Ene me fra me ma no musu. Menim se me ma no masel ma brabo. Masel me ma na brabo. I have destroyed my children. Enti nakakra aka ho menim ade bia omusu se mami, we want you to stay. Don't go. Don't leave us no. Akamekwa akamiti Ghana. When I broche heaven, mama beji me passport never to na broche why? Esa se mi ti broche na me sorry na mi didi. Me daka niemu. Abai ti me daika. Ya mami ka create dinner member eti Ghana baby amuti kraka ni eniwa. Na mi ntumi reti daipa baby ama omwa. Do you think it says simple? Ahana metelo. Jema bind ya mameno. Do you think I'm happy? Are we human beings, Ghanaians? Are we humans at all? Now they be accept to Wunyanko Ghanaian. Now we need ya sorry na. I need my money. I work for my money. I don't want to die as a beggar. Nobody should collect money for me. I worked for Ghana. Even though say your former President Mahama, any Angela Mo, and I found a Jumemo. That's why Juma me and Ghana for me ye Jumane Momo. Before me is ambassador, no, na me sama puka, na me on Facebook, and that will be the video be said me. I said me picture be me video be there 2 pound site be me shirt pants. I don't even remember when I did that video. And I did link in the said me said Joyce, what have you done to yourself? Look at your video on the porn site. When my children are crying, already know I'm school somewhere but I agree. I have destroyed my own life with my hands. Because I put Ghanaians first and I put myself last. I didn't even think about the money I was getting. 800 cedis. Ghanaians commission. You see this candle? Mesu Ghana, mesu sai sumoja. Nobody is ready to help me. Me papa chagana penifo mi mpesa metina brochire mi nye Germany mi ye Ghana. This is the last time I made a video that Papa Child say. Me bese me betina mi mbanchi. I want me crow me ni baby tea. Empose me betina Ghana cry na me ni ejume bi a me ya me de best aduane. I want to come to my country. Come and laugh. Send the laughing emojis. Come and attack me, but you see this candle that I'm holding. As it is melting, me mo bi edua. Ne mom. Me mana de do mo tinisio. And this one me sunni. Mo dim me akwaji sika mo ache di na me bre. Ni su ya egu for we. Ghana for nyina mo de mo nkwa betwa. The citizens of Ghana will pay with their blood if you don't give me my money. You want to come and laugh? Come and laugh. Say who be sitting me, you are befaka coffee, wherever you are. I did it before and something happened. I didn't want to do it again. You see, as this candle is melting, Edum, me kwa kosa babio. Mumra na mumma sire me why? Mumra, munyina mumra. Come and insult me. Esaza me papa bi ani wa maya amakai. Baby. Munko she kwale bunkwale go wa ese ku omo and draw bi kra send me pictures. Dianka me pa ani sanka. Obatem bi afa yare ne ma ne ba o. Minye boni bi a o sanka ma ye boni bi mpo na mo aye mi se ya. Akamema me pache wo boni be na mi yes. Me kume weni mwasi na mitimi nyejume bia bio. Mi se cheti ya hono mi ne cheti ya honsu mitimi nyejuma. Se mi ye ni pansu mitiasi su mitiasi. Se mi mbegu gana na mitia brecha mitia me ye dewa. I brought these children to this earth. It is my responsibility to stay with them and to take care of them. Me babo and depression. This is my last strength. My son, a small boy, he has depression. What mean that? Me body culture is saying that to me that how can a 13-year-old boy, because depression in Arabia you cannot cure it. You cannot cure depression. You use me. Got all the money. Don't come and tell me, say, I still have life. I am living, but I am not living. And there is more life. HIV is not the end of the world. I don't need that preaching. Meaning did that. Do you know how many people with HIV have chop bar? They have restaurants. They are working as bankers. Maybe a restaurant. Se me ton wadi aba beto ana, me bagana sisi ana me beton wadi aba beto ana, yimano. Shabo. You wrote, I am not here to read comment. Who can you say I am a choice to be in Germany? I curse you, said, but the hour be our trust way. 1 week and 2 hours as so. 1 week. Why after Shabo Shabo? You will not spend 1 week on earth. Come and insult me. I went for Ghana. I don't want to die as a beggar. I am fighting for my children. How much is the money? How much are we talking about here? If I want to read comments, what I would do, you don't know me. You don't know me. Anyone who is coming here to insult me, you are the same people shouting and shouting and shouting, calling our leaders to fix the country. But when our leaders are doing this to a fellow citizen, you come here, you come and write rubbish, you come and abuse me. Miss Mahuadia Kana, Media Miye, Minia Wadidia Bium, and Chinamuti said me woo me ko. But the citizens of Ghana, Mpenufona Mode Miakwaji Sika Metia since me woo. Minamon Minya di Pabe woo di daddy. If you want to know the joys you knew 10 years ago, we will come, we will not know. I can't say me charge. Never found me nipedia, I can't see. Mwekumi kra, chese. Nkwala me do mabasa sisu cramming to me show mo. So when I broche, I have in my Jimmy passport, never broche. I broche na me buy and me ba broche as a refugee because my own people have rejected me. Because driving Uber crana made to me and driving because when people request for Uber and they see my picture, they end the trip. Is this HIV or it is stigma? HIV was I'm talking about rejection. Don't come and preach to me, say HIV, this, if you have HIV, you can live. I know already. I'm not talking about HIV. I'm talking about the fact to say, Munim, Ghana Penifo Munim, former President Mahama, you and your wife, I commit your children. Miss Sama Munina, Ghana Youth Commission for Mumbanina, Angela L. Adas. Former Director General of Ghana Youth Commission, Angela L. Adas, all your daughters, they will suffer. Give me my money. Former President John Mahama, you and Angela, tell Angela, wherever she is, please call Angela to give me my money. I am not asking for any amount. 800 cedis now. And no, and I'm for mommy. I don't care if you use me to gain $3 million. I don't care if you used me to gain $5 million. I don't care how much money you use my story to gain. All I care about is my little 800 cedis. Those of you saying with your brochure, I am okay. When I open brochure, Tina, Brana Betina brochure. Me person mitina mi krom Ghana. To be able to do this, I borrowed money. Because you obviously can me try ticket. Me did 2 Facebooks. I want to come to Ghana to clear my name, to clear former President Mahama's name, for the party. I'm talking about the MPP party to stop using me against Mahama. Me did 2 Facebooks. Send me back Ghana. Me need to come me try ticket. Ghana for be sitting me and me. I deleted the post. I deleted the post and I'm because you basically I'm literally a ticket and I'm going to buy it. All the preparation I did before coming to Ghana, I have to pay. And when I came to speak nothing but the truth. Those of you who are here doing politics, when I came to speak the truth, you didn't see sir, I said I did anything good for Mahama, right? The Bia Mahama Nidin. Abronya this year no me buy me be defending Mahama. Wow. Now so me 800 cedis now me patch us here for me see come me there. You are here attacking me because you love politics. You choose politics over a citizen. I have sacrificed my life. Do you think it was easy? Do you think it was easy to fly Me nko ji obi si kan fanto ticket. Na me fly all the way to Ghana. Let me buy HIV test. I should fly back to Germany. You see it to be funny, right? You think it's funny? You think it's funny? Do you think what I did is funny? Look into my eyes. Every now come mark today's date. My co-ambassadors. Reverend Azuma, Gifty, and his wife. Ghana Youth Commission is still paying them their money. Commission is still paying them. Ghana Youth Commission is still paying them the money because wife no. Bro, after our program, after the HIV advert, when she goes to bring the maize, nobody buys from her. Ebrona Mahama, Azuma, Reverend Azuma, they sell maize. Ebrona motono, microphone tobium. It's because of this. Ghana Youth Commission until now, they still pay them their money. See, I know it's not even 800 cities. They've increased their money. I am not here to condemn anybody, to call anybody names, to insult anybody. Insult is not part of me. You see the candle I'm holding? You see this candle? Even if I die today, even if I'm dead right now, none of you will be spared. Because nobody cares. Say to your non-way to be a mummy. Say me you near beer. Say my home mammy on your beer. Or tea crassy. Sakami mammy a penny movie. And as me papa a politician beer. I come answer we buy and copy G assume. How much is 800 cities a month? From 2012 to 2021, how many years now you will pay me all my money? I will not take anybody to court. When the lecturer said, go to AIDS Commission for your money, Mahama doesn't owe you. Let me look at your name. Found Hundi, because I didn't see your name. Me can be crying you. I have not seen your name. Anybody who is here to condemn me, to insult me, because I, a citizen of Ghana, move into mania depression. Me di Ghana kwen yina, samu ba metie, mumra metie. Call everybody to come and laugh at me. Mumra metie me. Say more family to come, I give Ghana. I work for Ghana. The reason why I keep mentioning former President Mahama's name is because Oka program. He was the chairman of the AIDS Commission. With all due respect. Mumba, you see how my children are suffering? Me say, Mempa broche. A broche nye mi crew. I don't want to live here. Bese mi tina mi crew. Na mi si kana mwaje. Bibi awase mi tina amwaje no. Mufa ma diya mame. The money you owe me, if you give me that money, do you know what I can do? I can rent. Even if it is single room, I can rent. Even if it is chamber and hall, I can rent. And I'll live in that house with my children. From that same money, I can do something with the money. Let me there to turn your mouth on. Nobody should go and raise funds for me. I am not a beggar. I want to use this platform to thank all those who supported me. But say Ghana for we hate ourselves, we hate progress. Because of that, we go to Kolebu and see how many babies are being infected with HIV every day. Kona koshe. Sayamude. Ayamu femi boa. Sayamude sen kolano egu Kolebu hona. Oma funfon krampa sayamu fe. Inti mumbra hana mu mesere me mu metrocho mu comment na mesere me. Na wo tro wi akai hunu say ka wo fa ko adwuma ka wo fa ko fie wo benya accident ubewu. I commit all the roles in Ghana. Me the we are sit to me nyina. Me the mo kwa nyina sha omunsem. You see this candle I'm holding? You see this candle as it is melting? Do you know what it means? Do you know what it means? Come and laugh at me. Come. Call everybody. Call all Ghanaians. Come and laugh. Because me a Jimmy Fua. Mama be juma. Ah, oba. Me one nine. Me one sa. Now me to me nye juma. Oba me one nine. Me one sa. Na me adom me we near me di ho ade me wa so a me de ti asem. Na so me so ade na me koton kro bi nto. Nta ya wo de. Eya wo de nto be sire me. Eya wo de nto ba beti wo be di matem. Ufisa broche na mete no me pese me tina broche na. Should I show you my passport? Do you know how many years I've been traveling to Europe? Saka me pese me tina broche a. Aka the first time me took at the age of 22 no. Aka me ba broche aka me sam ko Ghana. I have reasons why I do everything I do. And to those of you who think say me pese me baby now she's a drama queen, she want to bring her children, me pese me di me baby aba broche. Me pese me di me baby ama woni bia ebeba brochire. Say ya wo na uti Ghana ho na uti ukrom na ye ntwa wesu. Nobody has banished you. Na so ya wo say ukrom ho na wote no. E ho umpe into betena brochire. Me Joyce me different. I came to Germany as a refugee. Mama say me baba pekunu and mama say me baba wo awon e ba keke. Basela no. The entire me ba ne say na me pese me yi me ma no efri Ghana se dia ye yom ye jojo mo se Ghana ni de hye me de me nkwa ato ho se ma ye programs sa ko schools sa na ya titi mi ana menya depression na fe di ekodu baby na Joyce me ba Facebook na ma Romeo. Depression has no cure. Depression ni cure in the same condition bi mu. Na mu Ghana fo ya se na minimu se e kura your friend Ghana no ye kura se wo sacrifice wo a additional ebe sacrifice wo me wu ye na so me wu. I am living but I am not living. I am living. Me last power is na kano. Me last power is na kano. Mo amuye videos di matem. Oh, my innocent children. Forgive me for doing this to you. My same man brabo. My same madachi. My son munanka say me will cry you. I didn't want to give birth again because my medical woman my son my brabo did that. Me the HIV program that say me man brabo. I have destroyed my children. Eti na kakra ka me ni mu no me pese me dit na obunche. Edi omudi agra me nyo bia me ni brisika. I don't care how much Ghana made from me. Ghana is commission. My video is still on your YouTube page. Ghana is commission. My video is still on your YouTube page. Every video you did about me, you have used it. You are still using it. My children are in the village. When I read comments and I read videos people are doing, say, me pretend. Or big grab a car, say, baby, I'm my betting in your honor. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Say, baby, I'm my betting in your honor. They are living there for almost 10 years now. They say, baby, I'm going to know, baby, they don't have light. And you come here to laugh at me? You come here to mock me? Because our leaders have used me and made me a refugee in somebody's country, and you think it's funny? You think I'm lucky just because I have some visa in my passport? Do you think that defines who I am? Muka say visa, I owe my passport, mono. Is what I want in this life? Do you think it's funny? You do videos to insult me because of my condition? Somebody say John Mahama is not the current president? Who did I work for? Who did I work for? Who did I work for? Former President John Mahama. If you all this while you're not hearing me, I'm calling on your wife. Lordina Mahama, you have children? Did you get pregnant? Or the children are adopted children? I want to know. I know that nobody, people don't put themselves in people's shoes. You don't put yourself in people's shoes, so you don't feel their pain. All I wanted to do, say, I got HIV at the age of 19. See, the be young girls, you know, munya HIV ni be say them inya no. It's a body na be ya mwana. If you pay me my money today, me find me bag, no me fi abrocha ba betina Ghana. I worked for the money. So pay me my money. I worked. I will not beg for anybody to donate money to me. I don't want to beg anybody. And there's a mewu crown I want to die fighting for my own money that I work for. I will not die as a beggar. No. Evangelist Nana Yao Edu says, sister, God will never disappoint you. But God is happy that they did what they did to me. Most of you here are Christians. And as your Bible says, love your neighbor as yourself. Your Bible says, do not discriminate. Your Bible says, we should love as Jesus loved us, right? I was baptized in the Church of Pentecost. But as I am now, I don't think I am good enough even to enter the Church of Pentecost. Because so I'm swinging now, how much is me? Even if Ghana is commissioned, they were renting a 2-bedroom self-contained for me. If they tell me, say, Joyce, now we can even afford only a single room. Baby, I'm not member. I am not a slave queen. I don't have a mansion. My family is not rich. I am only blessed with head. Apart from the head I have, no, my intellectual property is all the property I have in this life. The intellectual property I have is all the property I have in this life. I have no other property. You are Christians. I'm sure 90% of you watching me are Christians. And since you are Christians, since you believe that God loves us, and even the headmaster who brought my child home, he's a pastor. Some of you are saying she's a drama queen. Do you think I am stupid? Do you think I'm stupid? To fly all the way to Ghana just to do an HIV test? Do you know what that means? Idimi moja. Mahuode. Meni monyam. Ena medi amamo. Ena mudi me tutu form. Ena mudi me sika. Since 2014, I have been crying. They told me to be naked. Begging. My money. My money. I'm a citizen. I am a citizen of Ghana. Give me my money. And then one out to no baba me. You are here preaching Jesus to me. Kwame Obi, whatever. So that you fuck this shit, eh? You will die by next week. I didn't have a muno. And they can't any cramino. Mumra. My Tom any more yama the whole Ghana. Where did Bissika? Me matty baby. Me soon I am fair. I am dead. Come and insult me. Come and insult me. Who we are? You will have accident. When you accident in this year, either say you die or your legs will be cut. Ghana for you now the moon come becha. Send me to be my soul. Who says 7% in Brochana? Do you think I want to be in Germany? No, do you think 7% in Brochana? My own people have rejected me. That is why I'm living here. And you think it's sad? It is funny. You think it's funny? This is a battle, a Ghana battle. This is me and Ghana. You are a citizen of Ghana. Many people have died out of this kind of pain I'm having now. Ghana, this shape a brain because of pain. They sacrificed their lives and nothing came out of it. I am not asking to be rich. I am not asking to be rich. I am asking to be paid for what I work for. And you think it's funny? You think it's funny, right? You think it's funny? So you come here to insult me. Market, you will come back on my page and you will beg. You will beg me, but the harm has been caused. Anybody who comes in my life to destroy me, you will not go free. Former President Mahama, I am putting your children on the line. Angela L. Adas, I am putting your children on the line. Since you don't care about my own children, my 13 years old boy has depression. He cannot sleep because he pay wage. Me bani pay wo. He died of AIDS. I am the only mother he has. Me so me friend in chain. Me bani su sound the when you ulcer. Yes, when you stomach ulcer. My son has stomach ulcer. I am living in somebody's country. He's missing me. My children are missing me. And I'm praying that I work, they should pay me my money. They should give me back my room to live in. And you come here and you think, say, I am a drama queen. You come here and you think, say, I am joking. You make fun of my pain. You see this candle? Come and laugh at me. This might be my last video I'm doing. Come. Ghana for Mumbra. Someone to me can be my me. I'm a woman. Come and laugh. Uba Siri, Beju Wofako. Beju Yare Fako. Uba Siri, oh. Say the Missika, and I thought that I be watching them all. She had the Missika to talk cast, I may be watching them with you. Send me mango baby, that me gumida baby. And you think it's funny? Come. Those of you insulting me, come. Come in your numbers. Do you know what it means for somebody to be bleeding? Do you know what it means? Do you know what it means? Say I'm living, but I'm not living. You are making fun of a dead person. You are making fun of me. You are making fun of Obia Mewudida. You are making fun of me. I am dragging you along. Come with me. The fact is that me to maintain me mansion a few days ahead of me. I know what I am struggling with. I'm not struggling with HIV. I take my medication. This is my HIV medication. I don't have problem with HIV. It's a bra. You want to laugh at me? You want to laugh at a dead person? You want to laugh at a dead person? Come and let's go. Come and let's go. Come and let's die together because me won't have come. My spirit, my soul is already gone. Ghana for Mesusa 6 years in me. Mesu 6 years in me. You come and laugh at me. You come and insult me because a brother me chin and me did me one bar for Rena me educate mono. Murefi. Someone come in Papa be a man. So do you come to mock me in my situation? Do you come to mock me in my condition? Come and mock me. Obia ubamini ni bate. Se kwaya Ghana pele for me afaso a me bra me tete. Ye ka so obi bra. Enye obi oni sika o. Obi wo sika so obrepa. I am not asking to be rich. Riches has never been part of my dream. Peace of mind, happiness, love. I am not asking to be rich. I commit all citizens of Ghana. So for all these years, you haven't seen it. I'm not dying alone. Hey, my children are going to suffer. You come and laugh at me? Come. Come here and I'm doing videos. Ever since I got infected with HIV, I've never even given one soul. Me fire anymore beyond that. What I told myself in this at the age of 19, the HIV mommy. The HIV is not a problem, but a stigma which has taken over my soul. The HIV which has taken over me is not a problem. This is my medication. I'm on treatment. I have no problem with HIV, but Ghanaians have killed my soul. Ghanaians have killed me. When come in the down now? Me now me any pound. When come in the down there? And consider better be swan said you are mine. Move me to come, baby. And you know me, you won't cry me this cano. The man who use the money. Is it too much to ask for? You come here to insult me? Me pain and me fame for all these years. The pain of my children, me swat their mama in me share. Those of you who are mocking me, I am dead. Ghana, my yetaya this year, or people didn't who buff for your mouth minor. You better making sure say you couldn't punish home. We killed ourselves. Ghana phone first in Kunipa. Ghana phone fed to Kunipa. Nemo abra. We could wama mine. We no. Na additional the anu near the cool. Question no pania sorry. Na shut idea. Near Pacotina sorry them. See a sum yame. Eboa. Yakuya who we are. I swear to you, some people come to see an American discuss me pedal to Kobe and find it down, mammy. This is what I'm talking about. I'm not talking about HIV. I'm not talking about HIV. O picture me to cut to see as I'm if I rented down, put me in a mountain. O be any ordinary that mammy mark it on the wall. Elizabeth, I should remember that I am all that my children have. You can only say these words to a person who is living. There is hope for tomorrow, no? It's only said to a person who is living. You'll be able to. And you'll be a TSC. Now, a 1901 Sanon to me, Juma. And any power TSC no kitty can so be a funny diamond in him. You say these things to people who have life. I'm fighting for my children. Give me my money. Ghana for say I buying person the music about me. Nobody should donate money for me. Give me what I worked for. I worked for Ghana. I didn't work for an individual. They didn't make tonight TV so because say in Ghana for in a job who share your share. Say nipa ba ku pen and me saving the crop. I have saved their life. Why do you keep my money? Angela Eladas. You see your daughters? If you don't give me my money, what do you think about me there? You are free to go. Angela. Dr. Angela Eladas. If you give me my money, you are free to go. Didn't you know you were destroying my life? When you were exposing my face, a young girl, 22 years old, when you were exposing my face to the whole world, didn't you know that you were destroying me? Say, you were old enough to know, say, that is the end of her life. Now, who we are with the Misika? Angela. Who passed for your Lighthouse Chapel? Dr. Angela Eladas, you go to church, Kodesh, Lighthouse Chapel. You use my money to go and pay tithe. Me boy, Misika na wedding no. So the could tithe was sorry. Me boy, you have daughters, you have children, and you think, say, that somebody making. This is my covenant. You think everything is okay? Angela, you are really cool, no? It's an HIV. If you don't give me my money, your children, even if you die and go, they will never have peace. And any member of the Ghana Youth Commissioner, mache misi kedi, say me maintenance krasi. A krasi don't can problem. What about me? Mami akosia, who see how much they owe me? They owe me 800 cedis every month. From 2012 to 2021, they haven't paid me. From 2012 till 2021, they haven't paid me. Calculate the number of years. They are still paying my co-ambassadors because they are having the same problem I have. I want to be here to maybe I want to be here to maybe antisikana was here and still I ate your musica. Muncha musica mame. The same way I mutia Reverend Azuma. Na mutia gifty. Na mutia Azuma yereno. So muti fio so muye denyo. Esan say. Ghana for person mude. Omube ye jumebia. Please. Pay me my money. Pay me my money. Pay me my money. Pay me my money. I work for it. I am not begging for it. I am not asking you to dash me. I am asking you to pay me what I worked for. Because muye videos, you know, ye tuya moka. US government gave you the money. Danish government paid you the money. Global Fund gave you the money. I didn't see how much media need. Pay me my money. Gifty Joyce Ado. I should go to court, eh? Oh, dear mumbra. Mumma, I will try unquas assembly chemist. You come and write the rubbish. Come. Mumma, I will make cases in uncle. Mumma, I will make accidents in uncle. Mumma, I will make any in uncle. Come in your numbers. Come and laugh at me as usual. Because Joyce is mad. Joyce is crazy. When you knew me, who is belling my door? Just give me a minute. I'm doing Facebook Live. Should have called me before coming. I'm doing a program. I'm on live.
Okay, can you transfer the rent?
So all I'm asking is that pay me my money. I am not begging for it All I'm asking is that pay me my money. And you come here to laugh at me. Because I know when you're there, yo. No one enemy. No bush an enemy. Now, some more to wa. Musi yem penny for the. Edi you come wa. Penny for the musica. And some money abre. We a demonstration. It's your young quite a dream. So it's your young qua. It's a dream.
Do your hands like this. Everybody go. Aha, aha.